Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if y square equals 4x, so this is parabola, it is right side opening parabola, and x square plus y square equals to 5. It's a circle whose center is at origin and radius is root 5. Then the area of the smaller part of the circle cut by the parabola. So first we will go with the graph and then we will approach it later. So this is our y-axis. We have this as x-axis. Now let's try to draw a circle. So we got our circle done. So center of the circle is this. Okay. Now we have to draw hyperbola. Sorry, parabola. Parabola is y square equals 4x. So it is right side opening parabola. So it will go this way. Okay. So they are saying that then the area of the smaller part of the circle cut by the parabola. So suppose that this piece is being removed by the parabola. So these guys are interested in finding the value of this part. Okay. So can I say that, sir, if you will find out the area of this piece, no, this piece area is exactly the same as below. So twice of this thing is required area. Am I clear? So for that we need to find out intersection point. Okay. So look at this, how we will manage this situation. So you know that it will intersect at, here we will have origin. Now look at this. So to find out the intersection point, we will solve both the curves. Means we are interested in finding the point at which both curves are equal. Okay. So we can apply substitution method. So x square plus y square. In place of y square, can I substitute 4x minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so we have x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 equals to 0. So x plus 5, x minus 1. So we got x as 1 and minus of 5. So clearly it is in positive direction. So we will go with plus 1. Okay, so if x is plus 1, so substitute here, you will have 4. So y square equals to 4. So y will be plus or minus 2. So here it would be 1 comma minus 2. Here will be 1 comma 2. So we got our this point and we got this point as 1 comma 0. Now look at this question carefully. So can I say that required area will be 2 times integration from 0 to 1. This is this area, है ना? I'm talking about this area. Okay, right now I'm interested in this area, so we will take help of the parabola curve, है ना? So who is parabola? Parabola is like here we will be writing dx. So here we have to write things in terms of x. So can I write 2 root x? Comfortable? Plus, for the next part we have to take help of circle. Okay, so integration from 1 to, what is this point? This point, radius of the circle was root 5. So this is root 5 comma 0. Okay, so from 1 to root 5, again here we have dx. So we will write everything in terms of x. So can I write root over 5 minus x square? So things are done. If you will solve this, you are done with the answer. Okay, so I hope till this part you guys are super comfortable. Now let's do the integration part. So from 2, look at this. So it is integration of x to the power 1 by 2. So can I write x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay, and then we have to apply the limit from 0 to 1. Okay, plus now we will take another point. We have to integrate this part. Do you remember that above, like integration of root over a square minus x square, है ना? Like it is the biggest formula. First it is x by 2, and then question first by 2 question x by 2 question a square minus x square. Okay, and then it was, if like we need to write x by like a by 2, है ना? We used to write a by a square by 2, but like if a square by 2 is if a is positive, then positive of a square by 2, then negative of if a is negative, then negative, but here it is positive, so we will go with positive. Okay, a square by 2, so a square is, and then if you are comfortable, so if you are comfortable, then use your comfortable formula, otherwise you have to use log. So here we are comfortable, so it is sine inverse x by a. Okay, so x by a. Okay, here done. So this is our integration part. So here also we will apply the same logic. Look at this. So can I write like yes, x by 2, and then question 5 minus x square plus a square, here it is a square by 2. Now it is 5 by 2, and then sine inverse x by, here it is a. Okay, sine inverse x by a. Now here also you can apply the limit 1 to root 5. If you'll apply the limit, done. Now look at this. I will take all the numbers outside. So 2 times, look, if you'll apply 1, you will have 1 power anything is 1. So 2 times, and then you will be applying 0. So 0 is 0. So you will be left with only one component, that is 2 by 3. So it is 4 by 3. Okay, now if you'll apply the upper limit 5, this thing will become 0, root 5, and a root 5 ka square will become 5, so that will become 0. Now if you'll apply root 5, it will become 1 by, say root 5 by root 5, 1. Sine inverse 1 is what? Pi by 2. So we are left with 5, wait, 5 by 2 into pi by 2. Okay, now we will apply the lower limit. So lower limit is what? 1 minus 1 by 2, and then if you will apply 1, you will be having 5, 5 minus 1 as 4, 4 say 2. Then again you will be applying 1, and here you will get directly the same thing. So 5 by 2 sine inverse 1 by root 5. So you have to simplify this thing, and then you are done with the answer. Okay, so this square unit. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.